This fire title intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the template. Select the template and place it on the timeline. It's a heavy template, so change its playback resolution to 1:4. Here you can add your title. Change font from here. You can scale and position the title from here. Here you can add your tagline. Scale and position tagline from here. Change flare color from here. Here you can change Firewave highlight and mid-tone color. Change particle colors from here. As I told you, it's a heavy template. It will take some time to export. That's it. Thanks for watching.